Factory safety and personnel protection are the foundation of business operations. Formosa Electronic Materials Division has launched the Electronic Fence Detection System that integrates intelligent video analysis models, significantly reducing manual monitoring costs and enabling efficient hazard detection. The system features personnel intrusion detection, colored gas leak detection, and safety gear verification, ensuring comprehensive site security. To effectively manage hazardous areas, ensure that workers properly wear safety helmets, protective clothing, and gas masks, enhancing safety awareness. In addition, it also helps check for rust in petrochemical pipelines and support certain tools, like crossbars used in limited spaces, making it easier to spot potential dangers right away. Once an abnormality is detected, the system will send out an alert immediately to protect both personnel and equipment. Simple, intuitive, and user-friendly interface, which integrates with existing monitoring systems, improves operational efficiency. The Electronic Fence Detection System is suitable for real-time monitoring at construction sites, industrial facilities, and commercial offices. It has been successfully applied in the petrochemical and high-tech industries, helping clients implement intelligent safety monitoring. Feel free to contact us for further information. Let's create a safer and more efficient work environment together.